Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a quick, I have a Dollar Tree haul and a Michael's haul. So it's Good Friday. I'm off. Thank God. Oh my God, that's the only thing that got me through yesterday. I am recording face front only because I am out of recording space in here. Everything is just, I got too many things going on and we're just going to do it this way for now and hope this camera doesn't fall because that's giving me a hard time now too. So let's just real quick get into the Dollar Tree. Now I went to my Dollar Tree number 1. And all right, so I bought 2. Did I just buy 2? Yeah, I just bought 2 of the Crafter's Square. These are 12 compartments, 12 and 12. So I bought 2 because I was hoping to organize my white alphabet beads by letter. So we'll see how that works. Hamburger helper at the Dollar Tree. Nice, right? I know it's crap, but in a pinch, it's good for lunch on the weekends when I don't cook. It's like, where's lunch? Like, I don't make lunch. All right, so I got a pair of fun socks for my son's Easter basket. So this video is not going to go up until probably Monday. I bought a pack of gum like this for one of their baskets. I went to CVS and got a bunch of stuff there, so I'm not going to show you all that stuff. Some envelopes from the Dollar Tree that I needed for the shipping. Over there. And then I got this because, so the craft room is in the basement, right? And as you can see, like down here, I haven't done a tour yet because it's just, I haven't been able to organize it the way that I want. But as you can see, I have a ceiling. See, you can see like I have a ceiling. But in the other part of the basement over there, because the basement's huge, like 1, 2, probably 6 times the size of my room, you get those little cobwebs in there. So I wanted something, I didn't want my house duster. I wanted just a designated cobweb duster for the basement. And I figure for $1. Yeah, it doesn't expand, but that's okay. All right, so we have that. And then guys, look at these stickers I found. Oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. I grabbed 4 of them. They had a lot. I wanted to grab a ton of them, but I only grabbed 4. But look at how cute they're. And they're like, can you see they're like dimensional? Like raised up. I don't know if they're made out of plastic or what they're made out of, but they are so adorable. I love the balloon dog. So I am actually going to be including one of these in my swap that I have to finish up this weekend. So that's that. So that's another reason why this video will not go up until Monday evening. Okay, and then let's see what else from, oh yeah, I remember. So I got some more of these, right? Because I just have plenty of ideas for these things. And then I got this cookie mix, salted caramel. I'm going to make this for part of Easter dessert, so that'll go upstairs with the hamburger helper. I got this Flopsy snack mix. I'm just going to put this in a little bowl in the kitchen. It's just a little bit, but it looks like pretzels and chocolate bunnies. Cute. We'll put that out on Easter. I did get this, My Little Pony. It's called Rarity. I got this for my daughter. She's like 21 now, but you know, she still likes to like these little knick-knacky things. And I thought this one was super cute because it's like clear. So that goes with that. And then I did buy one more of those. Oh boy. And then I got some makeups because I was in CVS, guys. I was looking at the makeup and this stuff is expensive. Holy moly. So I got the brush for the what's this called? The bronzer, right? So put a little bronzer. I wanted to get some foundation, but I wasn't spending $15 for a color that I'm probably, it's not going to match, you know? The first, I don't know, whenever I buy foundation, it takes forever. But I did get this lipstick. So let's see how this looks. This is LA Colors. Color didn't look too bad. And usually I'm more of a lip gloss kind of person. But let's see. I kind of like the color. Oh, where is it? Over here. And let's see. It's called Satin, or is that the texture? I don't know. Do I have it rolled out too much? Oh, it's kind of, feels kind of thick. Maybe this will be my crafting lipstick. Okay. Not too bad, I don't think. I'll have to find a mirror. The phone's not doing it so good. But there it is, little lipstick, $1. And I think that was it from Dollar Tree. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna real quick throw these things here that are gonna go up in the kitchen. And the makeups, because the makeups is gonna go up. I'm gonna knock this camera down. The makeups is gonna go up in my bathroom. Okay, so just a couple quick things I got at Michael's. I noticed that a ton was on clearance, but it was gone. All the clearance was gone. I mean, how do people find out that stuff's going on clearance and then they just go and buy it all? Sorry, coffee. All right, so I think I spent $10 altogether in Michael's. So these wooden letters were $1. So I got a K for my daughter. Probably just gonna put that in her Easter basket and let her kind of decorate that if she wants to. I found they had a bunch of these like little canned beer koozies. They were 50 cents clearance. I want to try with my vinyl to do something with these. So I only bought 2, and they only had red, yellow, and orange. They didn't have the greatest colors, but we'll see what we can do with that. These were $1, right? They're just cute little like bead charms. Figure anything we do that's pink, you can just add that to it. Pink, orange, rainbow. So for $1, get 9 of them. And then the last thing I bought, and these were half off. So these are glass, I think they're glass. It says wine glasses, but they're stemless wine glasses, 8 of them, and they were half off. So they were like 6 something, right? They're $12.99. They were like $6.50, I guess. And the same thing with the vinyl. I want to try and put something on the glass and see how that goes. Maybe give that as a gift or something. So we're gonna try to see how that is. And that is all I have, guys. So I just want to wish everybody a happy Easter if you celebrate. If not, just have a great weekend, relax. I think, well, here in New Jersey, I think the temperatures are supposed to come up a little bit. It's like not even 40 degrees right now. It's cold. I've been running. I got 2.5 hours sleep last night. I didn't fall asleep till 3 o'clock in the morning. Lights were out at like 9:30. So that's excruciatingly, it's just, it's painful to lay there and not be able to fall asleep. Probably because I had a nice cup of coffee at about 6 p.m. last night. Probably 6:30, 6:45 after dinner, because I was just craving it so bad, and I did not have decaf. I don't know, decaf tastes different to me, or maybe it's the decaf I have that's not good. So I'll have to try different decaf coffees. But yeah, I saw 3 o'clock on the clock, and then the next thing I knew it was 5:30. So I've been up. I didn't go back to sleep. Probably should have. I got to figure out what we're supposed to count to get to sleep when we can't sleep. But you know, I had real quick, I'll just tell you, I probably had about 10 different DIY projects, craft projects. I probably thought about every single person in my family in depth. Yeah, just crazy. I could not sleep. I couldn't sleep. And then I'm like, I should just get up and go do something. But then I was like, I wanted to fall asleep, so I didn't want to, get up and, I don't know, no more coffee. No more coffee after, like, I don't know what time. No more coffee after, we'll say. I like to have a cup. My work lunch is at 2:30-ish to 3, so I do like to have a cup after lunch. That's got to be the last cup. Yeah, no more after that. So, all right, guys. Well, anywho, enjoy your holiday, enjoy your weekend, and I will see you in the next video.